Hello all. In this lecture, we are going to develop the new part of screw jack assembly, that is screw jack cup, by using CATIA software. This is the 3D model of screw jack cup. This is a 2D geometry of screw jack cup. This geometry is drawn in CATIA software. Then let's start. Go to the start, mechanical design, part design. Part 1, give the name as screw jack cup. Click OK. Select the YZ plane. Go to the sketch. First, we draw the vertical axis and horizontal axis with reference to horizontal axis and vertical axis as a reference. By using these two axes, we are going to draw the given geometry of screw jack cup. This line should be horizontal line. Make it horizontal. Okay. These two lines are parallel. Click OK. Then give the dimensions given in the geometry. This is 12. This is 6. This is 6. Then the total height is 42. This to this is the 42. Okay. Then this is 11.25 and 22.50. This is 11.25 and this point to this line distance is 22.50. Okay. Then after this is 32.50. This point to this 32.50. Okay. Okay. So all dimensions are given in this geometry. Then exit this workbench. Exit. By using the shaft tool, we are going to rotate this profile. First angle is 360 degree, second angle 0 degree. Profile selection. This is our profile. Axis should be vertical axis. Preview. Okay. Okay. Then after we are going to cut. Then after we are going to cut the semicircular portion from this 3D model or 3D body. For this, you have to select the plane ZX plane, select the ZX plane, go to the sketch, draw the vertical axis and horizontal axis. Make the horizontal axis with this upper surface coincident. Select the circle, draw the circle in this way, give the dimension of diameter 10. Okay, then exit the workbench. We have to use the pocket tool to cut the semicircular portion from this body. Depth is approximately, I am going to give the depth of 50. Then we have to select the mirror extent mark or mirror extent option, because we have to cut the semicircular portion from this body in the left and right direction. So we have to select the mirror extent option, preview, OK. In the same way, we are going to select the YZ plane, go to this sketch, draw the vertical axis. In the same way, draw the horizontal axis. Make this horizontal axis coincident with this upper portion of the body. Coincident. Select the circle. Draw the circle of diameter 10. Exit workbench. In the same way, we have to cut this semicircular portion from the body by selecting the pocket. Depth approximately I am giving the depth of 50 mm. Profile, this is our profile. Mirror extent, preview, OK. We have completed the development of screw jack cup. Save this part in the screw jack assembly folder. Click on the save. Thank you all.